students, welcome to the class. It's our rhymes class. Today we will learn a new rhyme, that is 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Okay, first I will tell you the rhymes and then I will show you the actions. You will copy the actions with the rhymes. Okay, let's learn now. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Okay, now I will show you the actions. You will copy the actions with the rhyme. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up those sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. You will repeat this action with the rhymes. Thank you for watching.